Okay, up in Maine here, Noblesboro, we're putting a gambrel roof over an existing gable, and that's what we got for the framing so far. Where those two trusses are missing in front, that's where the dormer's going to go over the window. But you can see we got it all gusseted, bottom's locked in tight with about 6-inch timber locks. And what else? Got a 2x10 ridge board up there and tied into the house over here. And today we're going to hopefully get all the sheathing on and get that front dormer framed in. So I'll take another video of that. But that's what you're looking at for gambrel framing over an existing gable. And we're just going to rip all that gable out, all that sheathing and all the rafters for the gable. That's it.